Hi guys, welcome back. So we are in the second week in July now, so just thought I'd give you a quick update and a tour of Polytunnel today, see how things are going in here. And just like to say welcome to all the new subscribers and thank you to all the old ones. We're nearly at 500 now, so if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please hit that big red button in the corner. It really helps out the channel and it's free. So I'm going to have a quick look around in here, and also I'm going to weigh up the shallots. They're dried out and been trimmed up now, so they're all ready to be weighed. So we'll have a quick look around. Right then, so we'll start by the door here and work our way around. So got one of the tumbling toms, and see where I trained this down to hang over, which it's not really needed anymore. And then right next to that we've got this mini bell that is absolutely loaded with tomatoes. The actual plant itself is only a foot high, and I'll spin it around there. Just see tons of fruit on that. I'm going to get a few of them picked today, quite a few that are ready on them. And then behind them we've got the 4 Market More cucumbers, which just giving them a heavy feed and it seems to be perking back up, but they'd all yellowed out, but still a few on them to be picked, and plenty more still coming. And then one of the biggest surprises was the cucamelons starting to fatten up, and this one here, it's in a bigger pot, it's got a lot more on it. So looking forward to trying some of them. And then we've got 3 of black pineapple tomatoes. There's quite a few fruit on these now. And they were sent to me by LED. And as you can see, I've just strung these up, tied string to the pot, and gone around the plant all the way up to the top here and back across to the main beam, and that should stop them falling over at all. And behind that we've got one of the melon plants. This is saved seed from one of the yellow melons bought from a supermarket. And alongside that, one of the black crim tomatoes, again from LED. Just got a couple of fruit on that one, and a couple on this one. And then pepper plant in the corner behind that. And the onions look like they're about done, all starting to fall over, and all the green's dying back. It's a shame, but I still definitely beat my personal best with that one. 18.5 inches around. I haven't measured it since I put it in that pot, but it did lose a bit after peeling a couple of layers off, but 18 inches is definitely the best for me. One of these might be a bit bigger. I'll check when I pull them up. I did have this one here that was 19.5, but unfortunately it's split. Still usable, just have to use it quite soon. And then this one was 17. So not bad sized onions, very happy with them. And in the middle here we've got 2 super mamas. A few fruit on them. He's touching the ceiling now, it's probably about time I cut the top off it. And one behind it. Got some decent sized fruit on it. Not quite as tall, but I'll cut the top off that one as well, I think. Aubergine Clara, this one is for single seed challenge. Hashtag single seed challenge 2022. I think that fruit hasn't set, but plenty of flowers on there. And quite a few flowers on there now coming. And then behind that we've got all the peppers. I think the majority of these are sweet peppers, but they are packed with peppers now. And even the ones behind in the tanks. Sticking out the top of the tanks now. And then up here in this gutter out of the way, we've got another showing of peas. These are Ambassador. I've shown these last week, I think, or about a week, just over a week ago. And they'll be planted out probably next week, end of this week. Then we've got another mini bell under that. Currently at 27 degrees in here. Aubergine, Black Beauty, black currant cutting, and then on top of these shelves we've got another 2 tumbling toms, and these are absolutely packed with fruit and flowers. So should be getting quite a few tomatoes soon. And then on these, ready to be potted on, are some more melons. Can't remember the variety, I'll pop that down below. But they need to be potted on and find them a home. And another 2 there. Right then guys, so that's what's going on in the Polytunnel at the moment. I'll get these tomatoes picked and get these shallots weighed up. such small plants, these mini bells, you get quite a bit of fruit on them, considering they're 12 inches tall. Right then guys, so we'll start with the small ones. 1 kilograms. That is 0.732 kilograms and 1.613 in pounds. So 0.7. And then bigger ones. .298, so that's pretty much 3 kilos of shallots. It's £5, 5.066 pounds. That's 3 kilos, 6.5 pounds. 3 kilos or 6.5 pounds of shallots. So, very happy with them. And also nice lot of mini bell tomatoes, a couple of cucumbers and some onions. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one today. I'll do a full update of the garden again, probably put that out tomorrow, and I'm going to try and get a few more videos out this week. Right, so if you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment below and hit that like button. Bye for now.